Hi everybody, my name is Sarah and I'm here to welcome you today and to show you a little bit about what you will be learning during the summit that is scheduled for April 11th and 12th. And this is my high top soap that I just made. And you can see the little piping, and I put some little embeds. These embeds are actually melt and pour. And there's different types of embeds that you can use. You have melt and pour, and you have regular soap. And you have, soap clay or soap dough that you can use as well. My journey started back in '95, in which I was dating a guy whose mother was very knowledgeable about soap making, pickle making, purse making, just very talented. And we used to go to convention or soap shows, craft shows a lot. And one of the things that inspired me about everything that she was showing me was how things worked better for my skin. Like my skin felt softer. I wasn't breaking out in my eczema rashes as horrible. I know it has a lot to do with my body chemistry and how it reacts and stuff like that. But the way my skin felt, it was an improvement for myself. I'm not saying everybody will be like that. But I started then and used to make it with her and stopped making it back in 2002. Life just kind of took over for me. And then I started back again back in, 4 or 5 years ago. I started getting back into it because two of my sons had dry skin. My other son had eczema. My daughter's skin was very oily, and my other daughter's skin was just dry. So I started making it again, started experimenting according to which kid had what, and it just felt overall better. Then stress took over, so I really started going into it. Next thing I knew, I had all these soaps lying around just because didn't know what else to do with them. I was having fun making them. So I started donating them to New Hope Ministries, which was, or is, an organization that helps families in so many ways. They help provide food, they do schooling, they do to help people get better ahead in their lives. They do financial classes, they do classes for like welding and CNAs and just so many different things. So one of the things, and they also have food bank there as well, one of the reasons why I donated to them was because you have these families that are going through hard times, and they would ultimately help them all around. Like, they didn't just worry about, okay, this person's coming in, they need help, all right, see you, bye, later. They help all around. So that's what inspired me in wanting to donate that to them. I've actually had quite a few feedback from people that have used my soap, and it just brings their little dim part of their day a little bit brighter. And I look forward to hearing that type of feedback or seeing people's faces like, hey, this works really good. Oh, your coffee soap is great. So I don't sell. I just make it and donate it. And for this year, I am doing my own personal challenge, in which I'm hoping everybody else will join in as well. It's SOAPS, SOAPS 2020 project. If you do a hashtag in front of it. And what I'm doing is I am making 2020 bars of soap and donating it to New Hope Ministries. So far I've done, I think it was 133 pounds of soap, and then my second donation was 88 pounds of soap. So I still have a little ways to go, but I'm definitely getting there quickly, especially with being cooped into this house all day long. So if you will, come on, join us April 11th and 12th, and I'll teach you some more about making high top soaps. Bye.